In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image into an Outlook email message. By the end, you'll know exactly how to attach a picture from your computer and make sure it's included with your message. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type the word Outlook. This is a quick way to find the official Outlook site if you don't have it bookmarked. In the results, click the official Outlook website. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Microsoft account to access your inbox so you land on your mail view. Once you're in Outlook, click New Mail to start a fresh message. This opens the Compose window where you'll write your email. You'll see fields for the recipient, subject, and the main message area. You can begin drafting your text now or wait until after you've added the image. Either order works, but it's helpful to have the Compose window open and ready. To include your picture, look for the paperclip icon in the toolbar of the Compose window. This is the Attach option. Click the paperclip, and a menu will appear with different ways to add files. Choose Browse this computer. This tells Outlook you want to upload a file that's saved locally on your device, rather than pulling it from cloud storage. A file picker window will open. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored, then select the picture you want to include. Common formats like JPG, PNG, and GIF work well. If the image is very large, consider choosing a smaller version to help your email send faster and be easier for recipients to download. Clear file names can also help you find the right image quickly. With the correct file highlighted, click Open. Outlook will upload the image and attach it to your email. You may see a brief progress indicator while it finishes. After the upload, the file will appear in the Attachments area of your message. That's your confirmation that the image has been successfully added and will be sent with your email. If you picked the wrong file, you can remove it and repeat the same steps to attach the correct one. At this point, review your message, add any final text you want to include, and make sure the recipient and subject line are in place. When everything looks good, you're ready to send. That's all there is to it. Go to Google, type Outlook, open the site, start a new message, click the paperclip, choose Browse this computer, select your image and click Open. Simple, reliable, and quick.